Ever experienced a snowstorm so fierce it made history? Dive into the Great North Dakota Blizzard of 1966. In March 1966, North Dakota faced one of the most severe blizzards in its history. The storm lasted for 3 days, with winds reaching up to 70 miles per hour, creating drifts as high as 30 feet. The sheer force of the wind and snow brought everyday life to a standstill, isolating towns and shutting down all transportation. This blizzard not only tested the resilience of North Dakotans, but also strengthened community bonds. Its impact was so significant that it remains a defining moment in the state's weather history, remembered for both its brutality and the collective spirit of those who endured it.